The Palme d'Or DT English, Golden Palm, is the highest prize awarded at the Cannes Film Festival. It was introduced in 1955 by the festival's organizing committee. Previously, from 1939 to 1954, the highest prize of the festival was the Grand Prix du Festival International du Film. In 1964, the Palme d'Or was replaced again by the Grand Prix before being reintroduced in 1975. The Palme d'Or is widely considered to be one of the most prestigious awards in the film industry. In 1954, the festival decided to present an award annually, titled the Grand Prix of the International Film Festival, with a new design each year from a contemporary artist. The festival's board of directors invited several jewelers to submit designs for a palm in tribute to the coat of arms of the city of Cannes, evoking the famous legend of Saint Honorat and the palm trees lining the famous Promenade de la Croisette. The original design by Parisian jeweler Lucien Lazan, who took inspiration in a sketch done by legendary director Jean Cocteau, had the beveled lower extremity of the stalk forming a heart and the pedestal a sculpture in terracotta by the artist Sebastien. In 1955, the first Palme d'Or was awarded to Delbert Mann for the film Marty. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.